Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you how to add two components in single TST, in single connector. So this is my connector and I want to add two components in this. So you can see here, I have added two components here. So one is the connector and second one is the LCD. So to add those files or 3D components, just follow this step. So as you can see here is a plus sign, so you need to click on here for plus sign and then come here, there is a folder sign, so click here and go to the path, select the path for your step files and add here. As I have already added those two step files, so I just need to select. As you can see, I have selected one, so it is showing here connected, and when I select second step file, it adds here. So by this step you can add two components. So for more tips, don't forget to subscribe my channel.